I was gifted this LED drawing board. I thought I would show you how it comes so you know what you're getting. First of all, it has a great little packaging, so it looks like a gift already. If you are gifting this, makes it so easy. You almost wouldn't even have to wrap it, but you could anyways. When you open this up, you have a couple smaller things. You have the markers, lots of different colors. You have gloves, and to be honest, I'm not sure why we have gloves, but maybe we'll find out together. We also have this little kit. It has a little spray bottle, a cloth, a charging cord, and a chain. So, we got the user manual, looks like pretty easy instructions. And then we have the actual board. So this board is really cool. I have a couple kids who are very excited about this. We have, looks like plastic on either side, so we can pull that off when we're ready to use it. And we also have a ton of different pictures. So the idea for the pictures is that you can put this is like a book. It's like stapled together on one side, so you can find the picture that you want. And then when you have a picture, you can put it underneath and you can trace it. You don't have to use the pictures, totally optional, but you can if you want to do like a picture of something. So lots of options of things to trace. We have seasonal stuff, Christmas, New Year's, different holidays, and then just general, there's Halloween, and then just general like dinos and more dinos and winter dinos and dump truck. Halloween. I'm seeing Christmas here, Christmas. So actually it feels geared more towards Christmas, to be honest. A few in the front that are not holiday centered. So those are fun, but just so you know, that's what we're working with. But you don't need pictures in the background. You can use actually even a coloring book of your own. You could set this on top and use that way. Or you could also just color and write notes, or just do like freehand drawing. So when you have the batteries are not in there. There's no batteries, but there is a little stand right here. I thought this was a battery cover. Nope. It's definitely a stand. So when you are ready to go, you can do that. But to turn it on, you have a button right here. I don't know if this is charged. Maybe it didn't come charged. I might have to recharge it because it does not look like it's turning on, but I would assume you just hold it here. It should probably turn on and show you how much battery you have. This says 25, 50, 75, 100%. And then we have a plus and minus button as well. So I'm gonna check it out. I'll do another video on the functionality of it, but just this is my general overview and straight from the box, what it looks like and what we're working with. So hope this helps you make a good purchase. So a good purchasing decision.